Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Dr. Aman from EduPedia Overseas. Today we are going to check out the anatomy department of Kharkiv National Medical University. If you would like to be a medical student in Ukraine, this is a great chance for you to find out what facilities are available, how do the classrooms look like, what does the lecture hall look like, so you can get a clear picture of what you can expect at Kharkiv National Medical University. As you can see for yourself, the building has its own charm. It's really antique and historic. On this level, we find 3 different cadavers, a synthetic one, a biological one, and a 3D one. We're going to check them out later. So on the way up to the lecture hall, there's a world-famous painting by Rembrandt. Maybe you have seen it before. On the wall are displayed the different teachers, professors who are going to teach the Ukrainian and the international students here in this department. So let's step into this unique lecture hall. If you have been following us and watched our previous videos, you might know that I have also studied at this medical university, and I still remember the first time I entered this lecture hall and I sat down, and I got goosebumps all over my body because I realized, like, yes, I'm a medical student now, and this moment was so special because this lecture hall looks unique. There are special paintings on the wall, and when the lecturer comes, when the professor comes, and you finally learn about the human body, this is a life-changing moment. So we should also have a look at the classrooms, and the classrooms are not very large because you are going to be educated in small groups. So as you can see, there's only space for maybe 12 people, and the teacher will sit at the head of the table and is going to discuss everything with you with the help of books, with the help of the TV screen, with the help of actual bones and cartilages which you are going to hold in your hands, or with different kind of models. So here we found something really interesting. This is prepared by the medical students who study the different topics of the human body, and this was crafted by them. It really helps to visualize and to memorize. So this here is a synthetic cadaver which contains all the bones, joints, muscles, organs, tendons, vascular components, everything. And then for you guys to learn everything so well, there is one anatomage table. This is an interactive 3D anatomy table, and you can learn the human body there, and also obviously the physiology. And it helps you to understand how to dissect, because you're going to virtually dissect everything. And this table is only available at the leading medical universities worldwide, and it is exactly as a fresh cadaver. Last but not least, the biologic cadaver, which is also available, and you are going to have classes with this biologic cadaver as well. So you will actually never be bored during your classes, because you're going to switch between the virtual one, between the synthetic one, and the biologic one. So you're going to have a lot of exposure and will have all possibilities to have a strong base in anatomy. So everyone, thank you so much for watching the video. If it was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any special wish, what kind of video you would like us to create, then let us know in the comments. Thank you.